Folks, don't forget to subscribe though. That helped the channel tremendously. That helped me grow. It helped me a lot of different ways and also get me going. I continue doing those videos for you guys. This is a Fujitsu. Well, you guys can see it. DC inverter. Fujitsu. I'm about to set up, guys. I'm going to show you how I get this thing to be that way. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe, guys, to help the channel tremendously. Folks, this is what I did. Well, basically, I had to look for where the woods are, and in order to create a hole. So I know exactly where I'm going to put my AC unit. Okay, guys, I knew how I was going to put the AC unit, so I figured this is the area I was going to put it. Very close. I have no problem doing it like that because I have limited space. So I had to drill a hole here or there because my wire goes straight in there from the machine, from the unit. So I drilled a hole there. Okay, I drilled a little hole there, and you can, those things is available if you have a drill and you have it, but you can get the drill bit to create the size that you need. This is the size I create, guys. See, that's the size that I create. And I line up this thing, I bent it a little bit so therefore the water can go out. Okay? And then I drill this thing. I use some screwdriver. I need a couple screwdriver. The strange screwdriver that I found, I don't know, it came with it, I believe. This thing came with it, guys. So I put this thing there and I'm ready to go. This is not difficult to put together. This is the camera. This thing is a holder. It came with it. All you gotta do is put the holder. It's trying to put some screws in there, make it tight, and then you drill some holes. I got one here. I got them all over the place because every time I drill somewhere else, I can't because there was it wasn't good. I had some issues with the wall, but when I drilled the hole, I'm trying to find a better way to drill the hole. I went to the woods directly. I could not believe it, but hey, I have an instrument that I used. This thing didn't work for me. So I had no choice to do it the way I did it. Okay, folks. Now, okay, this is where I'm going to put the wires. The holes are there. You have those things, guys, already there. Okay, come with it. So I'm going to push it in the hole and then put the wires there. There's need 4 wires. This is the ground and 3 other wires. It can be the special wire you buy at Home Depot for this. And it costs you $65. And you can get a piece of wire long enough for 15 inches. Like 15 feet. I think this thing for to go to the machine itself. So I'm using a regular wire, guys. This is 14 gauge wire I'm going to use there. Guys, it just happened I have this wire here. There are 3 wires inside of it. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start with the black. Finish with the red. Leave this thing in the middle. And I have a green wire on my garage. I'm going to use the green wire. And I'm going to push all the thing to this hole there. Push it on the back. See the hole, guys? Throw it to the back and throw it out. Throw it on the back, throw it outside. Hopefully this thing will be done. That'll be the first part of it, guys. Okay, folks, this is where we at. So I put the wire. So I use 14 gauge wire. Or you can go to Home Depot or any store, hardware store that got wires. You can buy those wires, a 14 gauge wire. Okay, we can get 3 of them or 4 of them. I have the green one. I have it somewhere in the house. I have a lot of them, so I took that. Okay, so my black wire is number 1, and I'm gonna put it in the machine as number 1 also. Hopefully nothing burn. Hopefully, guys, this is not a difficult thing to do. Now I put the wires together. And I'm about to go put it on the wall. So I'll be done with that section. Okay, folks. 3 wires. And then the ground. Number 1 is black. The middle one. And number 3 is white. So then I go back there on the machine. I'll make sure I put it on the right place. Otherwise it's going to be fire or something wrong. Okay, guys? Oh, this thing has something to close this thing. Like this. Okay, somebody was telling me, oh, he's gonna need that. I said, yeah, I was lying to him. But anyway, here we go. See guys, I'm gonna tie this thing up that hold the wires together. Okay folks, trying to complete this thing here. Now it's a little bit late. I just finished playing golf, guys. I don't have that much time, and I got a game to go watch. To make the story short, guys, I did the base for the outdoor unit, and you guys see it a couple minutes ago. Now what I have there, this is a 1/4. I'm gonna go up there and show you what I have. So I'm gonna do the flare. I'm gonna do the flare for the pipe. And I'm gonna complete this. Okay. This is, I need to mark this to this level here. Well, my problem right now, guys, this is, I think is 1.5, and this is 1/4. That's that is 3/8. This is 1/4. This is 3/8. This is 1/4. I have 3 sets of them here. So my pipe, I don't have it 1.5. I have 3/8. I'm gonna use the 3/8. So I needed something to put here to connect 3.5. I mean a half to my pipe. So I believe that the one from the units is 3/8. So I'm gonna exercise at 3/8. I'm gonna have something from 3/8 to 1.5. Okay, folks. Now, okay, folks. The way you look at it here, I have the pipe coming down here. Come this way and all the way down. Okay, guys. That's why I'm gonna have the pipe, and the wire gonna come this way too, guys, and go all the way down. Okay, that's where everything gonna be. Then one of my wires is very short. I can make it longer. So I won't be doing too much today because this is 3/8, guys. So I got 3/8 wire cable, copper. I'm gonna need an extension down there, like I just explained it. I won't be able to do that tonight. Maybe tomorrow I'll get this thing done and cover this, guys. I should be done. Now I need electricity to that unit. Okay, guys, this is the continuation. Now I bought some copper. Okay, bought some copper. This is the kind that I need. Remember this, guys. OD. This is 20 inches. OD. And they were outside and didn't matter. Something like that. The ID is bigger than the OD, but it's still 38. Because the way they explain it to me, this is the thing. This is outside 3/8. So if you run this thing, it's 3/8. It's an outside, not the inside of it. The one I purchased earlier, it was inside 3/8. The inside 3/8 is bigger. So what I'm doing right now, I'm taking a measurement of both of them. The white one already is a 1/4. I already measured it, so it should be fine for where I'm gonna put this. Now I'm gonna do the cable. Oh, you see the head of it, guys? I'm gonna cut this right there, so it'll be very nice and neat, so you don't have a problem with the flaring. I'm about to do the flaring also, guys. I got the tools for the flaring. This is the tools for the flaring. I also have this to cut the pipe. So I'm about to cut the pipe and do the flaring for 3/8. After I do the flaring, guys, and I'm gonna put the nuts inside of it. Okay, guys, when you're cutting it, use the tools. You can't press it too hard. If you do, you're gonna bend it. So you don't have to do it too hard, guys. Again, twist this thing, you'll be fine. When you loosen it up, you put it a little bit more. You see what I did, guys? This is bent. You just have to mark it and turn it. Keep marking it and turn it. If you're doing it the wrong way, see, it's loose already. Now the thing's already bent. You see how it is? Because I press it too hard. See that, guys? I press it too hard. You gotta be careful with this. when you're cutting it, you gotta do it right. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go this way and cut it for you guys. You see guys, this is not cut yet, but you gotta be careful. You gotta keep twisting it like this until you get loose. When you get loose, you tighten this one a little bit more. But you can't tighten right at the beginning. Can't do that. You see, I'm doing it one hand for you guys. It's already got loose. You turn it a little bit harder. You turn it loose again. It's loose again. Okay, guys, that's how you're doing it. It's almost cut. You see how they hit? You see how it is, guys? Nice and neat, round. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the flaring. Okay, guys. This is the nuts I'm gonna be using. It's gonna go right inside of it. Bam. You drop it. Now you get ready to do the flaring. Okay, guys. There's two tools there. You see? There's this guy. This is 3/16, 1 1/4, 5/16, and then 3/8. I think this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 3/8. It's got 4. This is the 3/8. I'm gonna grab this, put it right in the middle for the 3/8, guys. 4. This is the 3/8 one. Okay, guys, you need enough flaring so you can't put it all the way in the bottom. Gotta make sure it's a little bit come out on top of this thing, like that. Okay. Once you do it like this, now you're gonna use the side mark. Okay. Hope you guys can see this. This is fine. This is just fine. Now you're gonna tighten the sideways. This guy. You're gonna open it. Let it slide in there. You're gonna put it right in here. Right in here, guys. It's supposed to slide in. Don't squeeze this too much. No, too much. It's nothing to it. It just, now if you push it, it's not supposed to come out like that. If it doesn't come out, it should be right on top of each of it. Guys, you gotta make sure you shake it. You feel that it's holding in the hole. You see there's a little hole there, guys? This is where this thing needs to land in there. Don't squeeze it too much. You'll be fine right there. Now, I'm gonna turn this thing, guys. I'm gonna turn it down. Bring it down. That's it. And whenever you reach to the level, it will stop. Okay, guys? It will stop. You're gonna hear it. Watch this thing. You're gonna see that there's a gap. The gap gonna increase. It's getting there. You see the gap increase, guys? It does it by itself. I have a video on that with more detail. This is gonna click. You're gonna hear this snap. And see snap? That means it's done. Yep, you see? It's snapped. It's done. Now you gotta put it back and take it out. Now it's turning. See the caps removing? Then I have them to make those tools, but it's pretty good. Now I'm done. The flare should be done. Everything should be fine. Okay, you're gonna tie this one. See the thing slide. Now look at this guy. This thing open like this. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. I feel like I'm a professional. Now guess what, guys? Because I put this thing on the bottom. Perfect. See that? Perfect. Now I'm gonna do the length. That'll be the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a part 2 where I connecting the machine, I connecting the wires, and I put the freon in there. This is a 2-part video, guys. Don't forget to watch part 2. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Why? Because I'm doing 2 steps. Don't forget to subscribe, and also look out for the next video. This is those things. Okay, this is almost done. I gotta tie this thing up. Okay, I put the wires. This is a homemade wire because I didn't have them before. Okay, guys. Now all the wires gonna come here. Okay, all the wires gonna come down here. I already put this thing together, guys. Now I'm gonna put this one in also. We'll put this one in also, because now I need a connection from here to here, like this one. The difference in here, I believe this is half. This is half. This is 3/8. I need a connection from 3/8 to half, and get the nuts for it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. You help the channel. This is part 1, and don't forget the part 3, part 2, guys. The part 2 will be the connection to the machine itself, and then put air in there and see if this thing works. Yes, it will work, guys. Thanks for watching, guys.